We're starting to get these 2023 F-150 Tremors, and they have this great accent color. In this particular one, agate black is the exterior color, and we have like this burnished orange that goes through the grille, tow hooks, as well as the side badging with the F-150 Tremor, as well as the badging on the rear. This has a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. 4 doors, as you can see, with seating for 5, and it has sport cloth. The box is a 5.5-foot box. You have Pro Power on board, as well as a rear sliding power window, power moonroof, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you're seeing this is sport cloth, but this is a Tremor, so it's got the Tremor stitching, and the sport cloth itself looks a little bit different. You've also got that nice burnished orange stitching on and around the headrest and the bolsters on the seat. All weather mats on the floor with the F-150 badging, electronic parking brake, high mount light, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. You have your Pro Power on board, and you also have your tailgate release. There's a running board and grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, you've got your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages, your odometer reading, and we can also go in and look at our menu. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and they all have sub-menus. So you've got these nice display there and options right at your fingertips. Auto stop start for less idle time. I'm not in gear, I've just touched on the camera, and what I'm getting is the front view. Here we are in space. This is off the front fender, so we can see what's going on. There's your hazard lights, hill descent, traction control. We're seeing this little sidebar, so you can choose from there, and this is your main one. So we're going to touch on sources. This is a touch screen, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. This is just a protective seal that's on there. Navigation, we want the full map, and then we choose our destination. That's in there. We can go into our settings and choose different options. So we've got our sync navigation, our clock. General means you can change the measurements in there. Display, you can change the look of your display screen. We can move that other screen over, and we can go into sources as we did before. Let's go in here, and we can go into back into settings, just where I touched on the screen, and then just slide through. So the software updates and so forth that are available, and you open those, they have sub-menus. In your features, you're going to find your owner's manual, trail turn assist. Now trail turn assist, if you're on gravel or a loose sand or a loose substrate, what will happen is when you put that on your 4x4, it allows you to do a tight turn or even a donut. It's almost like a right-hand turn. It gives you torque on one wheel on the inside and lets the other one go, allowing you to do that turn. You don't want to do it on hard surfaces like cement. You have no need for that. But if you're on a trail or gravel or sand, that would be the time to use it. Pro Power on board is 2 kilowatt, and it allows you to charge up and plug in, and you have those places to plug in the back of the tailgate. And then you also have your towing information that's located there, and you can go through that as well. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So here we are in space. Green, yellow, red is just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles. There's your center line, and that's right off the back bumper. Let's put us back into park. And then we have our volume and tuner, and I've got the fan going. It's a hot day out. AC and max AC, heated seats for both driver and passenger, and dual climate control, so you can choose what's comfortable for you. You've got Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and you've got your 4x4 locking differential and drive mode. So as we dial through the drive mode, you're going to see it on your dash. So there's normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and you notice the icons change. I'm going the other way now. Slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl. So as road conditions and the weather changes, you can adjust, get less or more traction, and a little more control. And then down below here, we've got a USB-C, USB, a little cubby, automatic shifter, and it's a select shifter. You want this out of the way, all we have to do is make it go down like that, and it gives you another work surface. Got a couple of cup holders. You want to bring it back up, just do that. And then your armrest opens up. There's a bin in there. And you've got your USB-C and USB, plus lots of room, which is nice. And then off to the side is your 12 volt, and you've got a 120. Two glove compartments. The lower one's locking. This one releases from here. Grab handle in the body. Auto dimming, rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you also have your upfitter switches. And as well, we have the power sliding window in the rear and power screens, as well as a power moonroof. So we just press the button and we can open it up. Nice blue skies today. And there you go. And we're all set to go. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, powder-coated running board, black door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The Tremor badging, and you have the black handle that extends to the tailgate. The tailgate has the backup camera just above the handle, as well as an LED light to the right. You also have backup sensors on the bumper, tow hooks, trailer tow hitch, as well as 4 and 7 pin connector, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you simply double click your fob. It'll power down the tailgate for you. Got this nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And then you've got a tailgate step, and off to the side there are clamps on each side, right, left and right. And you also have 2 measuring tapes. So there's the metric and the imperial. And then you see that yellow dot, if you will. It pulls out, creates a handle, giving you some stability getting in and out of the vehicle using your tailgate step. And when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's also a grab handle in the body and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, giving you more room on the floor, and you're seeing that nice all-weather mat that runs from one end to the other. You also have the carpeted mats. And then to bring the seat down, simply pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Got slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders, a 12 volt. Down below you have the USB, USB-C outlet. USB-C's on the top, 120 volt. And you've got a twin panel moonroof up top, grab handle on the driver's side. There's lighting and hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Colored bumper, 5.5-foot box with a spray-in liner, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows, 360-degree camera. You have integrated turn signals on your side view mirrors and blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, and these nice burnished orange tow hooks, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out.